We're trying out the little doggy pen. Doggies are in here. The doggies are in here. Yep, and JJ is barking, of course, because JJ is the barky boy. He is the barky boy. Well, he's not getting a schnicky if he barks. Because Mama got schnickies right here. That's only for boys who are not barking. Only for good boys. I can hear the dog. You don't have to bark. You get scruffies if you bark. There will be lots of dogs and you guys will just have to learn how to behave. Yeah. No? You have to learn how to behave. Maybe I give you some snickies. Roonies. Stop. It's Roonies. Stop. I lost one here. Rooney. JJ, you need to stop. It's Rooney's. Yeah, I can hear it. Enough. You want scruffies? Scruffies. Yeah, I can hear the other dogs. But you're not supposed to bark. So it will take some time to teach him to behave in this thing. And I just spilled some of the snacks. Little sneaky beggars. Just begging. Come on. Come. Rooney. Here, Rooney. No, I said Rooney. Hey, you better be nice.